Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Jno Builds It. If you want to see how to remove the covers of a Keurig K200 coffee maker, keep watching.
Hey guys, to begin, let's first remove the K-cup chamber and then the tray at the bottom. Next, using a small screwdriver, place it in the hole on the back of the machine and pry open the top cover. Use your hands to gently remove that cover by tilting it sideways and pulling upwards. Remove the 2 screws on the top of the Keurig. Next, we will need to remove the 4 screws on the bottom of the Keurig. Now it's time to remove the front cover. To do so, pull up and sideways on the area where the top screw was and pull down simultaneously on the bottom of the cover. The next step is to remove the rear cover. First, disconnect the air port by pulling up and moving it out of the way. Then, remove the 2 screws on the back of the rear cover and pull up and back to remove it. To remove the upper portion of the device, we must remove the 4 screws that hold it in place. Once the screws have been removed, gently pull the upper portion upwards. You may choose at this point to disconnect the hoses and the cables if you need to do any troubleshooting or repairs. Now it's time to put everything back together. Let's repeat the process in reverse. First, push the upper portion back together, snap it in place, and attach the 4 screws. Next, we must disassemble the rear cover before reattaching it to the machine. Loosen the 2 latches on the bottom and then pull the cover up and back. The bottom cover must be installed before the top. Align the tabs on the bottom cover with the holes on the machine. Then align the tabs on the side of the cover to the holes on the side of the machine and push down to secure the rear cover into place. Now let's install the top portion of the rear cover. To do so, align the tabs with the holes, push in and down to secure it into place. Now, reinstall the screws for the rear cover. Next, let's reattach the air port, then the front cover. Now let's install the top screws. To install the top cover, first align the holes with the tabs and insert at an angle, push in and down. It's now time to install the tray and the K-cup chamber. Finally, let's install the 4 screws on the bottom of the device to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Goodbye!